Scotty, are you using my stud removal
First
tool?
time for everything, dude. I've never used one of these.
Yeah.
Ever.
Nice stud removal set. Scotty removed a stud. Usually he's hunting for studs.
Now, how do you get it? Oh.
Put it in the hole.
Right.
There you go.
Oh, that's badass.
So now we go. There you go. Try it again. We try that set before we use the torch.
I would have just grabbed vice grips.
Yeah.
I mean, being honest, I would have.
Yeah, but that's ghetto. So now that you're loose, here. Now that it's loose, you should be able to pull it off. And it's tight, but it's going. See?
That's badass.
There we go. See? Gotta have the right tools to do a job nice.
I do have the right tool.
That's it.
I've always had the right tool.
That's what.
I was born with the right tool.
That's what them said.
I don't know about to go all that far.
You know what I mean. All right, pull it up, big boy. I still can't get it in my hand, so go a little further. But look at that. See? This is how you do a nice job.
I'm a nice guy.
Sometimes.
Oh, you know, hey.
Yeah.
So I'll give you your stud finder. I'm an extractor.
There we go. All right. Easy. See? Much nicer.
Yes, agreed. Thank you.
Got it.
Hey, guys. So
Look at-
we have intake done.
Beautiful.
A lot of scrubbing with a wire brush. A lot of picking and grinding to make things right. Learned a new trick today. Thank you, Bobby.
I taught him the hammer trick for the tape.
Which is super, super cool. I really like that. So we are all taped. All important things are taken care of. I scrubbed a little harder on some areas so that we could have all the numbers would be a little more prominent like they were back in the day. Not quite super prominent, but enough that you never had an issue with being able to read them. And I wanted to make sure that they were seeable and looked good and looked proper. So that's all done and taken care of. So we are good, ladies and gentlemen.
Looks nice.
Yep, so we now have things all drying.
Valve train stuff is still in the washer. Mainly because it was nasty.
Yeah, it needed, we got a couple of pulleys in there as well that,
Yeah, before we can shoot those.
yeah.
And this is why it takes so long, because things are so incredibly nasty.
Yep.
All of the time. Fun, Scotty, fun.
But we're getting there. We're getting there, I
We're
promise.
getting there. It just takes time. Thank you, sir.
You're very welcome.